for some time enslaved the population and enforced slavery on the people. And the king, the Maharaja, the Dogra Maharaja, whom Kashmir was sold to, he in turn sold Kashmir, not sold, he gave Kashmir to India. I mean, he had no moral authority to do that. So since 1947, for the past 60, 70 years, Kashmir has been under a brutal military occupation. Especially since the 1990s, when the Kashmiris, who for centuries had been so repressed, finally stood up and fought the tyrants. It was brutally crushed, the armed rebellion against India, but like 100,000 people, they have disappeared 10,000 people, there have been plenty of mass rapes. So I'm a product of that generation, I'm a product of the 90s. I grew up in the midst of guns. I mean, Kashmir now is the most militarized zone in the world. I mean, there are like 700,000 military trained armed personnel, armed to the teeth, military personnel from India who are on every corner, every street of Kashmir. I grew up looking at them. I grew up adoring the guns that they had. My upbringing, even though my parents tried to keep me safe and all that, but when you see guns, all you can be infatuated with is guns, and that's pretty much now I realize it's sick. That's no way for a child to grow up. But so many Kashmiris, they just grew up adoring AK-47. But today, right now, Kashmiris, they have been protesting, they have been fighting the brutal, violent Indian occupation in non-violent ways. They come out in the streets to protest, they do protest marches. But the Indian military, it still showers bullets and pellets at the people of Kashmir. I mean, right now, it's like 102 days of curfew in Kashmir. That's like 102 days. For 102 days, children haven't been able to go to school. More than 90 people have been just blatantly killed. Among them, a lot of have been women, a lot of them have been teenagers, and more than 200 have been blinded. New York Times called what's happening in Kashmir right now as an epidemic of dead eyes. People are being blinded in Kashmir. They fire pellets from a shotgun, which is mostly used to deaden animals. They fire it at protesters, or they just barge into people's homes and they just fire it at them, at children. Lord knows I will never break bread with a traitor. I'm the street, so you know what I'm made of. Look my name in the alleys of Berkshire. Wrote my name inside a burned down structure. This is life in the meadow of my birth, where the secrets are exhumed from the core of this earth. Curse of a slave, fill the doubts in your well. You'll be lying in the dirt when I rule against your tail. Visions of a people who are sold like a sand dog, dead with the grin, say large up my name. I ain't falling short, I ain't calling shots. I'm a soldier, I will march till my body drops. Burning bridges as I leave for my future. Always knowing that Zulum, the cool. That's what my mom used to tell me sometimes, Zulum, the cool. Heart of a rebel, it's beating right inside me. Now how will you confine me when you can't define me? Heart of a rebel, heart of a rebel, heart of a rebel, it's beating right inside me. Now how will you confine me when you can't define me? Heart of a rebel, heart of a rebel. Waiting for a cause on the spell that I cross, in the streets that I walk, holding death like a dog. Mirrors on the wall, reflections of a war. Plunged out we all, struggle till we fall. Man that wins the guns, face the storm as it comes. 1,000 burning suns in the dark, seeking one. Now where do you stand when God has a plan? Will you side with the truth and fight with your fan? Angels on your shoulder as they guide you through the dark. When the demons on the corner have a price for your heart, stay strong, don't rebel. Your conviction has to last. Smile
Heart of a rebel, beating right inside me. Now how will you can find me when you can't define me? Heart of a rebel, heart of a rebel, heart of a rebel is beating right inside me. Now how will you can find me when you can't define me? Heart of a rebel, heart of a rebel, like a figure in the street lights. I'm born with the shadow of a free life. I'm done taking steps in the maze of your hustle, cause I run deep in the veins of my struggle. In the ruins of a house, I'm looking for a soul isolated in a cage. I keep knocking on the door on the path of seeking peace. This is what I was told. Built out soft, got stuff and fun and cloth. My silence in this violence had to break. It's true that my heart has no place for hate, cause love for my people and my nation made me change my ways. Now praying death, I'm praying death on the corner. I'm praying death on the corner. I'm praying death on the corner with
song Paradise Lost because Kashmir is seen as a paradise by poets and whoever for centuries now. I say that they lied, I say that they are blind because in 1947, 1948, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, he promised the people, in accordance with United Nations, a plebiscite, a referendum, a right to choose their own destiny. So since 1947 till now, Kashmiris have been denied that right to choose their own destiny, and that's the right we've been fighting for ever since, because it's a promise that just not India, also Pakistan and also United Nations have to keep, and my people die for that right. My music is so grim because that's the reality of Kashmir. You know, people come out in the streets, they try to talk about their rights, and they get shot dead. So it's just a simple right. You know, it's very simple. If you look at Kashmir, dispute, conflict, war, whatever, give the people their rights, and the paradise will be gained once again. Thank you. Probably know the words of the song. Come on, you're going to sing it with me now. I guess it's happening. Come on. I'm rapping with mama, got the beat, sing the truth. Records all over. Shouting from the truth. Bring it on, Tyrant. Bring it on, Tyrant. Bring it on, Tyrant. Bring it on, bring it on. I'm rapping with mama, got the beat, sing the truth. Records all over. Shouting from the truth. Bring it on, Tyrant. Bring it on, Tyrant. Bring it on, Tyrant. Bring it on, bring it on. The song is called Rebel Republic. It's with a K. It's also the name of my debut album. It's self-produced beat. That's why I asked the house band here to join me and help me out. So thank you very much. Thanks, Clive. Thanks, Michelle. Thank you very much. The next song is called Freedom. I would really appreciate if you guys present here join me in the chorus, in the hook of the song, and just screaming freedom with me. I mean, you'll get it, but just be on the beat. That's it. That's the only prerequisite. So when I say we want, all you guys have to do is just scream freedom. I mean, just freedom, just the word freedom. Thanks.
Call it accidental, check my metal with your bullets from your shotguns and them AKs, they say gun guns. Now, what you wanna do? Cruise the road of you with no guns in the rear. Read Chelsea like getting on guns in my crew. Chill back and lemonade like we no longer slaves. Just me and you now breathe. 1, 2, be proud as you screaming loud now. Let me hear you say it's your we want.
Freedom!
Now breathe. 1, 2, be proud as you screaming loud now. Let me hear you say it's your we want.
Freedom!
We want.
Freedom!
We want.
Freedom!
Knocking on my door every night, looking for a weapon in the eyes of my child. They're blind to the innocence, murder all the residents, hiding all the evidence, rising up to prominence, scared of the dissidents. Innocence, the common sense is to brutally suppress all voices, or shoot bullets to blind. Automatic weapons in hand can kill anyone, anywhere, anytime. Lord, have mercy on the slaves. The overseers be replaced by the states. No more whips and sticks, they got guns and jails. Right away for years, handcuffed with chains. It's a shame, really, how they kill and work free. While you sit in your seat and you feeling the beat, killers walk free. So why you still in your seat? Come on, speak. I say speak. 1, 2, be proud as you screaming loud now. Let me hear you say it's all we want. We want.
Freedom!
We want.
Freedom!
Now breathe. 1, 2, be proud as you screaming loud now. Let me hear you say it's all we want.
Freedom!
We want.
Freedom!
You see me ride on the storm, getting up warfare and bumped up. All the cowards are gone, a few hours to dawn. You came with trousers and dawn, but my will is so strong. To fight the powers that be without a sing and a song. Hey, let's get free. Here come the gladiators from the land of the Sufis. My fate pursues me, inherited slavery, my rage consumes me. Militant poetry that shoot you in your head, or they shoot you when you're not looking, or they fire at will. Down your throat with your eyes open. Plus the powers that be ain't got no justice to serve. So they put the military nigga doorstep right on the turn. So here's what I've learned. They wanna control our voices. They wanna show us we ain't got no choices. Now homes, fuck that. I don't be living like that. Plus my mental how they kill and call it accidental. Now let me hear you say it's all we want. We want. We want. Now 1, 2, be proud as you screaming loud now. Let me hear you say it's all we want. We want. We want. Right. Breathe. Breathe. Freedom. 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 Freedom.
Freedom!
Freedom.
Freedom!
Freedom.
Freedom!
Freedom.
Freedom!
Do you know what freedom means? When we come out in the streets, we have a word for the word freedom. It's called Azadi. So we come out in the streets, we have a song for that word, freedom. We protest, we do a protest march asking for freedom, claiming our freedom, but we get shot at, we get killed. That is how important the word freedom is for us. We can't even ask for freedom. I mean, that's the kind of place I come from. So when I say the word freedom, I don't imagine, I imagine very basic things. I imagine like going out in the streets and walking without seeing a gun for miles and miles. That's just how my imagination is. Just simple things. That's freedom, right? I mean, you can go out right now, anywhere in town. In Kashmir, people just go back into their homes like at 7 or something. Everything shuts down after 8. People are scared to move out. I mean, who wouldn't be when there's so much of military presence out there? Who wouldn't be? All right, thank you very much. Thank you for chanting freedom with me. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, this building is up close and personal, so go talk to the brother. So,